Hello boys and girls, and welcome to our video on the types of triangles as well as how to draw angles using a protractor. The first type of triangle is a scalene triangle, which has no equal sides. We have an isosceles triangle, which has two equal sides, a right angle triangle with a right angle, and an equilateral triangle with all equal sides. Here are some examples. Over here I have a right angle, so I know it's a right angle triangle. Here I have all equal sides, so I know it's an equilateral triangle. Here I have two equal sides, which indicates to me this is an isosceles triangle. And here I have no equal sides, which tells me I have a scalene triangle. Next, let's measure some of our angles. Remember, again, boys and girls, to make sure you line up your vertex with the center line of your protractor. This angle is 113 degrees, which makes it an obtuse angle. Remember, anything over 90 degrees is an obtuse angle. This angle over here is 70 degrees. We'll just turn our protractor. And we've got 20 degrees. 20 degrees is less than 90 degrees, so we know that it's an acute angle. Next, I just want to show you how to draw angles just using your protractor. So imagine in class you're asked to draw an angle that's 30 degrees. The first thing you're going to do is have a baseline where your 0 is, and then you're going to match it up to your 30. Of course, I know in class you will not be able to draw on your protractor, but what you can do is make a mark on the outside of the paper, which tells us where our line is going to go. Just remove these extra lines, and then we know this angle right here is 30 degrees. So I'm actually going to ask you to practice this at home. If you could get out your protractors and try to draw angles, and maybe give yourself a game. So you can say, oh, I'm going to do a 30-degree angle and a 45-degree angle. And then you can practice at home so that when you come back to class tomorrow, you're ready to go. The last thing that I just wanted to mention to you was to make sure that you're thinking of your benchmarks when you're looking at your protractor. So your 90 degrees is right here. Half of 90, remember, is 45. Double 90 is 180, which would be a straight line. So always try to remember your benchmarks so that you've kind of got them in your head all the time. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great evening. I'll talk to you tomorrow.